Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S23 Ultra with a flickering display due to a crack on the glass, and we'll fix it right now. So this S23 Ultra is still in good shape overall, but it has been dropped on the side there, and the crack damaged the LCD underneath, and there's no way for it to be fixed than to replace the display and the housing. We have it in stock, so we'll open up the device and perform a full disassembly. So we're spraying some IPA. The back cover and this one has not been opened for quite some time. It's still got the original adhesive, I can tell, or maybe not. You can see here it's not really putting up a fight. We haven't shut the phone down. It's still on. The touchscreen has been damaged, so we just have to detach the battery to cut off power to the main board so that it shuts down. Not a proper way to shut the phone down, but we're in a maintenance mode, so we'll service the display. So you have the S23 Ultra looking like a Galaxy Note. You have the S Pen on the side, and as you open it, you put it side by side with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's gonna be the same layout. You have the connectors there, the squiggly black lines. We'll have to detach it. We'll remove the SIM card tray. The SIM card tray just contains the SIM card. We'll detach I think this is for the battery, and have connectors to the daughter board for the display. There we go. We'll remove the main board after we pull out the front camera. I think the front camera can be left out. We'll remove the daughter board. So when you disassemble a Galaxy S23 Ultra, you can see that lots of the parts are really easy to remove, or I think maybe David is just making it look easy at this vantage point. But if you're a beginner who's trying to disassemble this type of device, maybe take your time, you know. Here you go. It just rips out the battery, which got its own plastic adhesive. We'll reuse that later on. That's why we're prepping it. This is a replacement housing and display in black, which is good. We'll put the battery. We'll perform the transfer of all the components in reverse. The S Pen fits. Took a lot of convincing, but it got there. Then the main board. Main board just fits, just like a Lego. So we have sourced some parts for the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the older Galaxy Notes. You still have it in stock, so if you're interested in restoring your Galaxy S23 Ultra or other Samsung devices, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. We are located in Sydney CBD. We're a small shop. David is doing all the repairs, and if you're not near Sydney or you're outside of Australia altogether, you can also mail in your broken smartphone if you don't have a technician near your area who can do these types of repairs. And we'll fix it here in the shop Once we're done, we'll ship it back to your address. But you have to message David first so that you can have a proper transaction. Now we're done with the main reassembly and the phone just turns on. These Samsung devices are really durable. No need for us to program anything. This is it. This is just gonna work. So unfortunately, we can't really go into the home screen, show you everything. We can't even show you the wallpaper because it's the confidential photo of the client. But this one works. So they will just have to perform the test themselves. Once they arrive in the shop and pick up their smartphone, they can do the testing, the fingerprint, the camera. And while we're waiting for them, we'll throw in this free cover for the display. We'll wipe it down first. So if you're asking if it's still worth it to fix an S23, or you can just buy the next big release from Samsung or Apple, I still recommend that you consider fixing your older device. With an S23, it's not gonna be getting older anytime soon. It's not gonna get obsolete. It's very powerful, even for 2026 up to 2028, I bet you. So you're saving money, saving the environment, and saving your data. We're done with this. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.